Picture this. It's the end of a long, exhausting day. Your mind won't stop racing, your body feels restless, and sleep feels like an elusive dream. Sound familiar? If you've ever laid awake at night wondering why sleep is so hard to come by, you're not alone. So many of us have been there, tossing and turning, longing for the sweet embrace of slumber. But what if I told you that the secret to peaceful, rejuvenating sleep starts hours before your head hits the pillow? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video you'll have the ultimate guide to creating a night routine that's so relaxing, your future self will thank you. We'll discover the joy of unplugging, the magic of a wind-down ritual, and so much more. And hey, before you roll your eyes and think, not another routine video, let me just say this. If binge-watching TV until 2 a.m. was the answer, we'd all be thriving. Spoiler alert, it's not. Next, let's talk about winding down. This is your signal to your body that the day is over and it's time to relax. Just as you wouldn't rush through a tea ceremony, take your time with this ritual. Savor each step, allowing yourself to fully transition into a state of calm. The key here is consistency. Your body loves a predictable routine. When you repeat the same actions each night, you're sending a gentle message to your mind and body. It's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. Start with dimming the lights to mimic the natural setting sun. As darkness falls, our bodies naturally begin to produce melatonin, signaling that it's time to rest. By dimming the lights, we're enhancing that natural process. Light a lavender-scented candle for a calming atmosphere. The gentle flicker of candlelight creates a sense of peace and tranquility, while the aroma of lavender can promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. And here's a pro tip. Create a playlist of soothing sounds. Rainfall, ocean waves, or even lo-fi beats can help your brain shift gears. Choose sounds that spark a sense of calm and peace within you. Or, if you're into ASMR, there are entire videos of people whispering about pickles. I'm just saying, the options are endless. And speaking of endless options, there's one surprising activity you can add to your wind-down routine that's scientifically proven to help you sleep deeper. Stick around for that. Or Chapter 3. Nourish your body for rest. Step 3. Fuel your body for sleep. What you consume in the evening can either promote rest or disrupt it. Just as you wouldn't fill your home with unnecessary clutter, avoid cluttering your body with foods that hinder sleep. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. These substances can interfere with your sleep cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Instead, opt for sleep-friendly snacks like a handful of nuts, a banana, or a warm cup of chamomile tea. These help your body produce melatonin and serotonin, which are essential for sleep. Choose foods that nourish your body and promote a sense of calm. Chamomile tea, for example, has been used for centuries for its calming properties. It's like a warm hug for your nervous system, gently easing you into a state of relaxation. And no, that midnight craving for a double cheeseburger doesn't count as fuel. But did you know there's a certain spice that can naturally enhance sleep? Chapter 5. Set the stage for sleep. Finally, set the perfect sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, dark, cool, and quiet. Just as you carefully choose items that spark joy in your home, create a sleep space that invites rest and rejuvenation. Invest in blackout curtains, use a white noise machine if needed, and keep the room at a comfortable 65 degrees. These elements help to create a serene and sleep-conducive atmosphere. Also, consider a weighted blanket. It's like a cozy hug that reduces stress and helps you fall asleep faster. The gentle pressure of a weighted blanket can mimic the feeling of being held, promoting a sense of security and calm. Unless your dog takes up half the bed, then good luck with that. And remember, just like tidying your home, creating a relaxing night routine is a journey, not a destination. Start with one small change tonight and see how it transforms your sleep. Perhaps you begin by unplugging an hour earlier or incorporating a calming bedtime ritual. As you embrace these practices, you'll discover the joy of a well-rested mind and body, waking up each morning feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to greet the day with a grateful heart. And there you have it, 5 steps to crafting a relaxing night routine for better sleep. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Start with one habit tonight and see how it transforms your rest. Perhaps you choose to unplug earlier, enjoy a cup of chamomile tea, or simply savor a few moments of gratitude before bed. Which step are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more tips to live your best life. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.